and welcome back. My name is Lee and of course this is Lulu. Now in our last video we were learning the sound S. We were very good, we were. Now today we are going to learn a new sound. So shall we have a look in the box and say the magic words? What sound have we found? Ooh. This is our new sound of the day. Are you ready? So my turn first. Ah, ah, ah. Your turn. Oh, that was very good. Well done. What's the letter name? Well, the letter's name is A and the sound it makes is ah. So the letter is A and the sound is ah, ah, ah. Well done. Shall we look at 4 words that start with the ah sound? Off we go. Ant, apple, arrow, ambulance. Well done everyone. So we have now seen 4 words that start with ah, ah, ah. But can you think of a sentence or can you say something with one of our ah words? Lulu, can you think of one?
The car followed the arrow.
Well done, Lulu. Can you think of any sentences featuring one of our ah, ah, ah words today? So let's have a look at what we've learned so far. We have learned s, and today we have learned ah, s, ah, s, ah.
Together they sound like sa.
They do! That's called blending, Lulu. When you put 2 sounds together and you say them, you blend them together, like you're blending them up to make a cake.
A word cake.
Yes, kind of. Well done, everyone. See you next time. Bye.